Hello my friends, welcome to Coding Solution, and today we will be continuing on with my pattern and series printing program series. And today I'll be creating my third program of the series, and the third program would be I will be creating the full pyramid using a star. Okay, so as you can see the pattern is here, so I'll be using this pattern and creating this pattern based on my logics. Okay, so just to start, add a new empty file to this project, has to be saved first, and then program or the pattern, I guess pattern 03 dot c. Yes, c program to display pyramid using star. Okay, and the author for this program would be Pawan Singh. So as you can see, we will be printing this pattern, and to continue on, just simply add a header file hash include stdio.h integer main, and then define it int I, it's a counter, and then the space variable and the rows, and L equal to 0, just a counter that has been initialized to 0. Printf enter the number of rows. Okay, and scanf %id comma %n or I. Just place the for loop as for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to rows plus plus I. Okay, and for space is to 1 space less than or equal to rows minus 1, and then plus plus space. Okay, now just printf space. Okay, we have printed the space. So now you can understand that while printing this program, what we are doing is actually we are printing the rectangular content only, but the thing is we are utilizing it, or we are creating it here as a space. Okay, so now you could understand that what I'm doing. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be creating or finding the middle of the whole row. Okay, so for finding the middle of the whole row, I have initialized a counter, while L is not equals to 2 into the value of I is determining the value of row, minus 1. Just print a function as printf star. Okay, just give a space, and then increment the value of k, and then the while loop is done, and again while this condition has been fulfilled, the program would be going to the for loop or the for loop. Yes, or I can say the program would be going to this for loop, and then again initialize the value of k as 0 to again starting off to print this kind of a star, the value of a star, and then printf \n. Okay, return 0, control S. So this was the logic for you all. Basically what we did is, simply we took the number of value of I and compared it or reiterated with the value of rows, and then we are printing these spaces. That's why I have taken the space variable. Okay, then the space is less than or equal to rows minus 1, and then the value of space is pre-incremented, and if it gets true we print a space. So let me try to run this program for you all. Plus plus k is not taking as a correct integer. K is undeclared. I think it should be L. Sorry, L. Control S. Now let me try to again run this program for you all. Enter the number of rows. I want a pyramid of 5. You see, our print is not coming. I don't know why. It is showing as y L is not equal to 2 into I minus 1, but the value of I, yes, value of I is available here in this logic, and I don't think so I did any error. It should go like this only. I should be less than or equal to rows and percentile d I space rows, and this is plus plus I and the plus plus space. Okay, so the for loop is executed and that for loop is closed there, and then a while loop is opened. I guess it is going somewhere wrong in the for loop itself. Then the printf space we have printed. This for loops get over. Then while L is not equal to 2 into I minus 1, we will be printing the star and pre-incrementing the value of, then the value of again L is 0, and then print f. Again let me try to run this. 4. So what's the point is, it's not showing the pyramid, or actually it is showing me something else. So you see, so I guess let me try to place this thing as a challenge for you all. Kindly just guide me that where I did wrong, what should I do, and in that case the pyramid comes out to be successful. Okay, so in the meanwhile I'll also try to figure it out that where the program is going wrong, and in case I find the solution, I'll try to make another video or the correction video on this. Let me try to again run this for I equal to 1, or let me try to again analyze that why the logic is not coming. I into I, this is the initializer. Based on that the values are incremented. I less than or equal to rows, space equal to 1, rows minus 1. See, such a kiddish thing. It should be rows minus I. When the value of row is 8, the value of I is 1. So 8 minus 1, this loop will be executed, or the space will be executed till 7. Okay, so let me try to again run this program for you all. I think it should come good. Enter the number of rows 5. Very nice, I did it. You see, the pattern has come as it is, the one I have mentioned here. It has come like this only. So this was the logic, and let me try to again run this program for you all. Just 10. You see, this program is able to print the pyramid very nicely. So the problem was I need to place it as row minus I instead of row minus 1. So I hope that you might have understood the logic now, and in case you find any problem, I request you all to please post it in the comment section, and please have a discussion. And I guess that's all, and please make sure to see my another series of the videos as well, and I'm sure that that will be, also be helping you all in your due course. So that was all for the day, and thank you. Bye bye, have a nice day.